Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Group 5. This is the voice of Eric Sakwa, and the members of this group are Jerry Yandis, Atieno Feni, Jemima Inema, Jen Kagwanja, Jafet Odera, Faith Mbide, and Sironka Martin. And therefore today we want to talk of the HIV virus and so its components. So begin your lesson. So HIV virus, just from the name HIV virus, this stands for human immunodeficiency virus. This is a virus which attacks the body's immune system, especially the CD4 cells that help fight diseases. So the HIV virus has several parts, and each part plays an important role in the helping of the virus to survive and also multiply in the body. Some of the parts of this virus are the envelope, capsid, enzyme, the envelope protein, and the viral genome, as you can see on the picture. So I'll go straight to the parts, explaining some of the functions. Number one, we have the envelope, which is the outermost layer of the virus, and this is the outer covering of the HIV virus. And if it's the outer lipid membrane, its function is to protect the virus. Then it also helps it enter into a host by fusing with the cell membrane. So I can compare it to a skin of an orange, which protects the fruit inside. As you can see the picture of it. Apart from that, we have the envelope proteins, whose function is to help the HIV attack to and enter into a body cell. So the protein, the envelope protein is these are spikes found on the envelope. You can see that's it. Then we'll talk of the capsid, which is a protein coat found inside the envelope, and it protects the content of the virus. So this is like a strong box that keeps valuable items safe, because the virus itself, it's valuable according to it. So you can look at the image. And then I'm also going to talk of the viral genome. That's the RNA. In full, it's called the ribonucleic acid, and its function, it contains the genetic information of HIV. So it therefore provides instructions for making new HIV viruses. So this acts like a blueprint, which is used to build a house. And HIV contains 2 copies of single-stranded RNA. That's the RNA which carries the genetic instructions needed. So that's it. And then after the RNA, I can talk of the enzymes. Talking of HIV, it carries 3 important enzymes. That's the reverse transcriptase, which converts viral RNA into DNA. We have the integrase, which inserts viral DNA into the host, and then protease, which cuts viral proteins into functional. And so the main function of this is to help the HIV reproduce inside a human cell. And so these are like the tools used by a builder to construct a house. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, I've talked of the envelope, which protects the virus and aids its entry the envelope proteins which attack through and enter host cells. The capsid will protect the viral contents. Then the viral genome, RNA, its function is about genetic information, and then the enzymes will enable replication and maturation of the virus. So if you are going to understand these parts, then we are also going to understand on how HIV infects the body and how it spreads. So this was my crew. We have the producer, then the pictures, and the director, the colorists, the visual effects, and then the cinematographer. So if there could be any question, you're free to ask.